Hi, we're Joanna and James. Join us for a wander by the stunning white cliffs of the Sussex coast.
Nestled in the beautiful chalklands of the Cuckmere Valley is the tiny village of Litlington, meaning follower's homestead, and these unique tea gardens.
Someone very dear to me asked me recently if I felt I was living my best life. It really made me think, because of course we all have different imaginings of what that looks and feels like. It's a very personal journey, and an ongoing one at that.
For us, taking pleasure in the small things is a big part of it.
Established over 150 years ago and surrounded by stately trees, including a rare mulberry tree, this is an outdoor cafe especially for sunny days, with lawns and plenty of pretty fairy nooks in which to enjoy lunch or afternoon tea.
It's completely charming, with a wonderfully timeless feel, and we highly recommend a visit. Just check the cafe's Facebook page to make sure it's open before setting off. A few miles away, where the South Downs meet the sea, is striking Birling Gap, a little hamlet situated between the towering cliffs of the Seven Sisters and Beachy Head.
There's such a glorious, expansive feeling here, wandering beside the ever-changing shore and listening to the soothing lullaby of its natural pebble beach. The feeling of being very small, but totally at one. Please like, subscribe and comment below. We love to hear from you and really appreciate it.
It's an amazing place to explore, and part of one of the longest stretches of undeveloped coastline on England's south coast. A little to the west is Seaford Head Nature Reserve, part of the Sussex Heritage Coast. It's home to many nationally rare and important species of birds, plants and insects, and an area of special scientific interest. The views of the South Downs and the iconic Seven Sisters are utterly breathtaking. It's no wonder the area is frequently used as a movie location.
It's helpful to remind ourselves from time to time that our focus creates our future. Being happy in the present, allowing ourselves to dream, to dance to our own tune. It really does matter. So, wherever you are in life, allow yourself a happy daydream or two. Dreams are the seeds of inspiration, and with the right nurturing, they will always be fruitful.